Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hafsa Yasin, and today I'm here with the next topic that we have to discuss is the problems of the new state. After the Pakistan was formulated in 1947, there was many problem that was caused in the new state, and ultimately the state have to handle with all those problems. Uh, the problems are listed below. First one is new administration, then division of assets, then integration of princely state, communal rights and arrival of refugees, canal water and trade issues. New administration. The shortage of trained human power, especially senior officer, was a serious problem in the setting up of the federal government in the Karachi, because Karachi was declared as the basically center of the state. Most, or we can say, the capital of the state. Most of them had migrated to India. There was a shortage of office space, equipments and furniture. This disturbed the direct connection between the federal government and provincial government. On the other hand, the provincial governments were overburdened that needed were accurate connection between the center and the province to solve the problems of the Muslim refugees who had nothing to eat, drink, wear, rest, etc. The counter the critical situation To counter the critical situation, the official system should have been efficient, but due to the lack of these facilities, the administrative authorities was painfully facing the difficulties. As we all knows that Muslims and Hindus have the almost educational gap of almost 50 to 60 years, and because of that educational gap, ultimately all of the Hindus were on the main positions in the governments. They were basically, they were the people who were handling all the administrative structure of the state. They were the people who were handling all the governmental activities of the state with the British, and ultimately they have made the British realized that they are the people who are more sincere with the government as compared to the Muslims, because we all knows that it was the Muslims who from which the British government have basically taken the power in 1857, when the last emperor was Bahadur Shah Zafar. So basically, all because of all of these issues, ultimately most of the when the division happened, most of the administrator who were good in their skills, they have just moved to the India, and ultimately we have left with nothing. अच्छा जी, इसको हम आसान अल्फाज में इस तरह से भी कह सकते हैं कि जब जो है पाकिस्तान बना, तो उसके बाद जो है हमारा और हिंदूज का जो एजुकेशनल गैप था, दैट वाज ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट 60 to 70%. तो क्या हुआ कि जब पाकिस्तान आज़ाद हुआ, तो बहुत सारे हिंदूज जो पाकिस्तानी साइड पे काम कर रहे थे, वो जो है वो माइग्रेट करके इंडिया चले गए, और जाते वक्त उन्होंने क्या किया कि दे हैव जस्ट बर्नड ऑल द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव रिकॉर्ड्स, just to make things more difficult for the people of Pakistan. तो अब जो है वो इवन हमारे पास ना तो रिसोर्सेज थे, क्योंकि मेन ऑफिसेज जो हैं वो सारे दिल्ली, ढाका और इन तमाम एरियाज में, सॉरी, दिल्ली, बम्बई, इन इलाकों में मौजूद थे. तो हमारे पास ना तो फर्नीचर था, ना ही इक्विपमेंट्स थी, ना ही तो ऑफिसेज की प्लेसेस थी जिन पे जो है वो जहाँ जहाँ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का काम किया जाता, जिसकी वजह से बहुत मुश्किलात का सामना करना पड़ा. फिर आ जाता है जी डिवीजन ऑफ एसेट्स. द इंडियन गवर्नमेंट वाज नॉट कोऑपरेटिव फॉर द ट्रांसफर ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स एंड इक्विपमेंट्स टू द पाकिस्तान. द सिविल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन was not handing over the promised financial, military and other shares that created mountainous hurdles to eradicate the pains and miseries of the refugees. अच्छा जी, अब जब तक जो है वो इंडियन साइड की जो गवर्नमेंट है वो हमें प्रोवाइड ना करती तमाम इंफॉर्मेशन के साथ, हमें हमारे फाइनेंशियल रिसोर्सेज ना देती, हमें हमारे मिलिट्री रिसोर्सेज ना देती, तब तक जो है वो स्टेट जो है वो रन नहीं कर सकती थी. अब आपके पास एक रेफ्यूजी आया है, एंड ही और शी इज़ क्लेमिंग कि जी मेरी जो है वो वहाँ पे इतनी जायदाद थी जिसकी बेसिस पे उसको यहाँ पे भी उतना ही हिस्सा चाहिए था, लेकिन अनटिल अनलेस उसके पास कोई ऑफिशियल डॉक्यूमेंट ना हो, या गवर्नमेंट जो है वो इतने ऑफिशियल डॉक्यूमेंट को वेरीफाई ना करे, तो द प्रोसेस वाज नॉट पॉसिबल, एंड इंडियन गवर्नमेंट वाज नॉट at all cooperating with the Pakistani government. There were two major issues, that was financial assets and military divisions. Integration of princely states. There were over 560 princely states in India on the verge of the partition of India. About 500 states had joined the India before August 15 because of the motivation by the VP Menon and Mountbatten. The princes, the princes were inclined to honor every gesture of the British representation. So basically, they were inclined to honor every gesture of the British representatives. They conducted what the members of the royal family wished. The Hindu-British conspiracy blocked states to join Pakistan. अच्छा जी, उस वक्त जो है वो बहुत सारी स्टेट्स ऐसी थी जो कि बेसिकली इंडिपेंडेंट काम कर रही थी और उनका जो है वो ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट के साथ किसी भी किस्म का डायरेक्ट लिंक नहीं था. अल्टीमेटली दे वर वर्किंग अंडर द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट, but they have their own governments and they have the right to decide that to whom with they wanted to participate. लेकिन क्या हुआ कि ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने उस पे भी जो है वो मुसलमानों को या पाकिस्तान को बिल्कुल सपोर्ट ना किया. इंस्टेड दे हैव सपोर्टेड द हिंदूज एंड दे हैव इवन फोर्स सम ऑफ द स्टेट्स टू ज्वाइन द इंडिया इंस्टेड ऑफ पाकिस्तान. The main states were Junagadh, Hyderabad, Kashmir. We all know the Kashmir issue that is still a major bone of contention between India and Pakistan. Communal rights and refugees. The communal rights occurred earlier in August 1946. The killings of Muslims in India areas forced them to leave India. The Sikhs and Hindus attacked the refugees. Muslims in Indian areas forced them to leave the India. The Sikhs and the Hindus attacked the refugees caravans and trains. They were organized gangs to kill the Muslims. The refugee problem created critical conditions in the border areas. The massive migration proved serious economic and humanitarian problems for the new state. The military was asked to help cope up with the refugee problem, and that was the time that military have involved in the administrative structure of the state, and ultimately this moved forward until the date. तो बेसिकली क्या हुआ कि जब जो है वो माइग्रेशन होने लगी तो बहुत सारे कम्युनल राइट्स हो गए इन द इंडिया. हिंदुओं और सिखों को ये लगता था कि मुसलमानों ने जो है वो हमारी जो ज़मीन है उसको डिवाइड करा दिया है. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर रीजंस वो मुसलमान जो हिजरत करके पाकिस्तान की तरफ आ रहे थे, ये वो मुसलमान जो बेसिकली इंडिया छोड़ के पाकिस्तान नहीं आना चाह रहे थे, उन मुसलमानों पे जो है वो अटैक किया गया. एंड अल्टीमेटली दे वर फोर्स्ड टू बेसिकली मूव टू द मुस्लिम टू द पाकिस्तान. और जिसकी वजह से बॉर्डर पे बहुत ज़्यादा इश्यूज हो गए, क्योंकि जैसे ही कोई काफिला या कोई ट्रेन जो है वो बॉर्डर पे पहुंचती थी तो बहुत सारे लोग जो हैं उन पर्टिकुलर ट्रेन्स में या उन काफिलों में जो है वो उनकी डेथ हो चुकी हुई थी. They were brutally murdered, and ultimately this caused a huge tension in the state of Pakistan. उसके बाद है जी कैनल वाटर प्रॉब्लम. द मेजर रिवर्स फ्लो फ्रॉम कश्मीर एंड सम canal heads located in India. In 1948, Indian cut off water to some canal that was a serious threat to the agriculture in the West Pakistan. The Indian plans to build water storage on the rivers that are vital for Pakistan's economy worsened the situation. It also showed the traditional anti-Muslim attitude. The World Bank settled the problem in September 1960 in the Indus Water Treaty. Uh, Basically, what happened that when Pakistan and India was divided in the two parts, तो क्या होता है कि जो तमाम मेजर वाटर रिसोर्सेज हैं, जो तमाम दरिया हैं जिनका रास्ता जो पाकिस्तान में आ रहे हैं, उन तमाम का जो रास्ता है दैट्स बेसिकली पासिंग फ्रॉम द इंडिया. तो इंडिया ने जो है वो क्या किया कि उन्होंने जो है वो पाकिस्तान का एग्रीकल्चर वाटर जो है उसको रोक लिया. पाकिस्तान, वी ऑल नोस कि पाकिस्तान की जो इकोनॉमी है दैट बेसिकली डिपेंड्स ऑन द एग्रीकल्चरल सेक्टर. ऑलमोस्ट ऑफ 70% हमारी इकोनॉमी जो है दैट बेस्ड ऑन द एग्रीकल्चर. और अगर आप हमारी 70% इकोनॉमी को जो है वो फ्रीज कर लें, सो अल्टीमेटली व्हाट वुड बी लेफ्ट, what next 30% can do for the state of Pakistan. So because of all of these issues, ultimately the state of Pakistan has faced huge problems, and at last in 1960 the problem was somehow solved by the World Bank. And the basically that agreement or treaty was known as the Indus Water Treaty. Trade problems and the economy. Ultimately बिफोर द डिवीजन बहुत सारी प्रोडक्ट जो वेस्ट पाकिस्तान में प्रोड्यूस होती थी, यानी कि पंजाब सिंध सरहद और पंजाब सिंध और केपीके में प्रोड्यूस होती थी, वो इंडियन साइट्स पे जाती थी। लेकिन आफ्टर द डिवीजन इंडिया और इवन पाकिस्तान हैव टोटली ब्लॉक्ड दैट ट्रेड, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ट्रेड इश्यूज अल्टीमेटली दिस अफेक्ट द इकोनॉमी ऑफ both the parts like Pakistan and India. And because of these issues, ultimately we are still facing the administrative problems in the state of Pakistan. Thank you so much. That is it for today. See you in the next lecture.